Hello and welcome to today's webinar. My name is Gene and I'm the head of marketing here at eyko. Today's an exciting webinar because we are not only going to focus on getting AI without the BS, but we're also unveiling some of our new messaging, positioning, and branding for eyko. So for all of you on this call, this is your first introduction to the new eyko messaging. And thank you for joining me today. First of all, you're living in a data hell. You need a tool that will help you escape data hell. Making sense of data from multiple systems is a nightmare. We have multiple ERP systems, multiple SaaS systems, old legacy systems. We've got data sitting in the cloud, data sitting in files, we've got data sitting in spreadsheets, and making sense from those different data sources has really become a nightmare. eyko is a single end-to-end data analytics platform powered by finance. No more with eyko. One system for everyone. eyko is a next generation analytics platform. Anyone can quickly unify, clean, enrich, and analyze their data. eyko is so fast and easy to use that anyone can harness its power to collaborate and make better decisions in minutes. eyko fundamentally changes the way you work with data. eyko is one end-to-end platform. You no longer need to have different ETL tools, MDM tools, data cleansing tools, BI tools. It is one comprehensive end-to-end platform optimized for you. It gives you instant and fast and accurate answers, not just reports. Of course, you get all of the operational reports and dashboards you need to run your business because those are very important. But when you need an answer to a pressing and urgent question, you could simply pose that question to eyko, and eyko's AI assistant will give you an accurate answer. Essentially, you're getting conversational insights with data that talks to you. What makes all of this possible is the application intelligence capability that we will drill into that automatically combines and unifies and cleans all of your data into one cohesive and complete picture of your business so that when you pose questions, you get AI answers you can trust. It's quick and easy for all users, and it even performs on big data in seconds. So let's drill into this. Artificial intelligence without the BS. As we all know, there are chatbots everywhere, and the world doesn't need just another chatbot. If you want AI that helps you make better decisions from complex proprietary enterprise systems, eyko is for you. And again, eyko's application intelligence ensures those trustworthy answers. How does it do it? It builds a virtual warehouse for all your data. eyko dynamically builds a virtual warehouse as you add data. eyko's application intelligence makes it easy to combine, clean, transform, and enrich all your data for a complete picture of your business. You get all the benefits of a data warehouse without the pain. So let's drill into what application intelligence is. Application intelligence uses machine learning and inbuilt smarts to understand complex enterprise systems so that you don't have to. Again, say goodbye to ETL and SQL code and unify multiple data sources in minutes. Application intelligence can detect, clean, link, name, and transform your data. It has inbuilt smarts that understand systems like JDE, Epicor, and other sources. It can normalize common data values across systems like dates and zip codes. It can auto-detect links between multiple data sources and add them automatically for you. You could also automatically rename complex fields into business user-friendly names, and it transforms complex data into optimized analysis-ready structures. So for instance, here's data coming directly out of a J.D. Edwards table. It has not been morphed, cleaned, transformed in any way, shape, or form. Imagine asking AI for an answer on this data. AI would not know how to make sense of this data. The data itself has cryptic column titles. It has incorrect data coding, which may somehow send the AI agent off on a wild goose chase to sum up values that aren't even numbers. It has missing code descriptions, and for some reason, it has integers that are times 100. And it also has Julian dates. So you need to fix all of that. Now imagine the same data here with inbuilt smarts applied to clean the data. You now have meaningful column titles. You have the correct coding. It's no longer adding numbers that should not be added. And it has proper descriptions, and it is finally giving you the proper number formats. And this makes for a very important transformation of data, because when you're dealing with complex data sources and complex schemas and trying to bring that all together, it sometimes requires an army of ETL and data nerds in order to put all the data together for you. eyko makes it very easy because of our inbuilt smarts that understands the data sources and automatically applies all of these transformations to clean your data, so that when you want to use AI insights to pose questions of your data, eyko can do that very quickly. Let me just drill into a before and after picture on the same page. So this is a JD Edwards data source with eyko smarts applied. On the top, we see this Oracle JD Edwards data coming directly out of Oracle JDE without any inbuilt smarts applied. That same data with the inbuilt smarts applied understands this coding, like GBCO. We understand that it's a company code. We know company names, business units, business unit names. So we're automatically, because of the inbuilt smarts that knows JD Edwards or Epic or other systems, we know how to automatically convert those into business names. We now have the proper dates. We pivoted the columns. We put the decimal places in the right place. Essentially, we're giving you data you can trust. So imagine posing a question of this data that you see here on the left. And when you pose a question of that data, like for instance, what are the top 10 invoices by open amount, it really doesn't know how to read the data correctly. It will guess, and because it's guessing, it will use the incorrect column to assume that that is an invoice number, and then it will somehow guess the open amount. So it's really giving you incorrect results, and it's not information that you can trust. Now let's pose the same question on this curated data. And what we mean by the curated data is data that's been automatically transformed and cleaned using the smarts built into eyko. So it now has the proper customer names, the proper address numbers, invoice dates, no longer the Julian format, has the open amounts and gross amounts. So if I now pose that same question, what are the top 10 invoices by amount? It will give me those top 10 invoices by a proper amount that actually makes sense. So just reinforcing this point here around application intelligence, it really gives you data that works for you. The application intelligence capability is essentially providing you effortless data prep. It makes it easy to unify data from any system. And again, you could say goodbye to long ETL, data pipelines, cycles, and IT bottlenecks. And you get the data you need when you want it. Full picture, no compromise. And we like to say with eyko, you get more with less. Less silos, less tools, less time to get the value, less people to get the answers and insights you need. You'll get more data, more insights, more control, and more answers. Essentially, eyko is a whole new way to work with data that frees up resources and gives you back time and gives you more knowledge to make better decisions. eyko, we like to say eyko is where great decisions get made, and the future of decision making begins with an ecosystem. Thank you for attending this webinar. I know it's a very short webinar, but I just wanted to use this time to introduce you to eyko and introduce you to the value that eyko provides when it comes to curating and cleaning multiple data sources so that you get information that actually makes sense, that you can bet your career on, and you avoid all the BS. Thanks again for watching this webinar, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.